I wanted to share with y'all this mantle scarf before I sent it off. I made this for a charming abode. I will leave her links to her YouTube and her Instagram. If you don't already watch her, subscribe to her, y'all should definitely go check out her YouTube channel and her Instagram. Think y'all will love it. I fell in love. And so yeah, she was looking for a softer mantle scarf than what she was seeing in stores, and I was like, I can do that. So I think I did. I'm in love. I hope she loves it. I'm so excited, and I want to share this with y'all. Okay, so here's the scarf part. This will go on top of her mantle, and you know, pretty things sitting on it, and this is going to hang off of it, and this is going to be her fall mantle scarf. I did make this with my shabby fall digitals that y'all can find in my Etsy shop. I'll leave the link to that also in the description. This isn't nearly all of the shabby fall digital kit. This is just some of it. There's a lot more than this. All of it wouldn't fit on here. Okay. So I did make this very shabby, as is my style. Very vintagey feel, very flowy, boho, and I love it. I'll look through my camera to see where I am. All right, so I do have the beads like I like to put on my banners. I've got all the torn fabrics and the laces flowing off. And here is the first piece. Got the cute little bow. I got a boho scarecrow in every single one. They've all got various shabby pumpkins and leaves. I've got flowers and tuck spaces. Y'all know how I do. Fabrics. Got trim up here, and then up underneath a bunch of flowy fabrics, laces, beads. She asked for a soft blue and cream, and I think I've given that. I do. I just really hope that she loves it. If she doesn't love it, I told her to send it back to me. And she said, I think I'm gonna love it. So, I don't think I'm gonna get it back. But if so, I wouldn't be disappointed in that, to be honest. Okay, more of those beads and fabrics and laces. I've got just a teeny tiny little chunk of some blue trim here with a bunch of sequins and beads and embroidery. Thought that was really pretty. This might be my favorite little boho scarecrow. I really, really like her. I've put some little cream colored flowers on her hat. This, you probably can't tell, but this right here is a piece of fabric that has a bunch of embroidered leaves all over it. And I thought that would be just perfect. Got a really pretty applique here, a lot more of those leaves. We've got some pretty fall fuzzies here, and some more. Some more fabric and dangles. Doily. I am taking custom orders for these. I am not making any ahead of time. It will be a custom order, and the reason why I'm not making any ahead of time is because I don't want to have an inventory of them and they not sell. So if it were just neutral and not fall, I wouldn't mind. I can sell those all year and store them, not a big deal. But being as this is fall themed, who knows? A ton of people might want them, or not many. That's a cute little scarecrow. Got some polka dotted fabric here, some really pretty appliques and flowers. Just getting off the last little bits and pieces of glue. Got some more fabric and doilies and dangles and pretties back here. This is 5 panels and 64 inches. I got the dimensions of her fireplace and went off of that. Okay. Oh, a little scarecrow arm got bent. There we go. Really pretty applique there. Kind of, you know, come up some just to give it a little bit of dimension. I don't know if y'all can see the shimmeries or not. Love that ruffle coming up the side there. It's held together with some tan lace that I have, you know, pulling it back to the scarf because I wanted it to come down like an inch below the very top of her mantle. That was my goal. I hope that she likes and approves of my goal, my decision that I made for that. So I didn't ask her, I just thought it would look good. I did put it on my mantle just to, you know, because you want to see the whole thing and get an idea and a feel of how it's going to look, and, you know, to know if you're going to be happy with it. And I was, so I went with that, you know. I think she's really cute too. A little scarecrow. She's wearing a little diamond necklace. Really pretty little applique. Y'all, I just love these beads that I used. I do want to cut this just a little bit shorter. Here, while I've got it on my mind. There we go. Got some little pom-pom trim. Some little shimmeries and tucks and cheesecloth and dangles. Pretty little leaves. This background here I have not yet released. This is going to be a background in cream shabby background papers. I will hopefully have that out before I release this video, but I'm not sure. But I did create some background pages just for this project, and I'm like, oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. I need to offer them to my customers, so I need to get those ready. They actually are ready. I just haven't put them in my Etsy shop. Hopefully I'll have time to do that this week. And we've got some more fall, kind of like fall fuzzies coming off the side here, and some pearls. Just some more really pretty pieces here, and ruffles, and then some more beads that I just really like. A slight blue tinge there. Anyway, I think it's really pretty. I hope that y'all like it. I pray that she loves it. Oh, I hope so. I really put so much love and so much work into this. And y'all let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. And again, I will leave her information and mine down in the description, and we'll talk later. Bye.